Hi, welcome to Murari's Finance channel. So, continuation to mutual fund, today I taken a short video on mutual funds. Sixth category, that is international and global mutual funds. So, these funds, especially operating or investing customers' money in international or worldwide companies, which are well established or over the period companies are running. Example, Franklin Templeton International or Global Mutual Fund. So this is one of the mutual fund. I'm not suggesting invest your money in this mutual fund. This is one of the example I just telling you because I came to know that this is one of the fund act as international or global fund category. So you can search rest of the funds which will give more returns or stable returns. Accordingly, you can invest your money. And always remember, before invest your money, please take a financial advisor or expert sessions. Read the terms and conditions carefully, and accordingly you can invest your money one of the mutual fund. Thank you so much once again. I hope you all find this video is useful. Now subscribe my channel. Please do subscribe my channel and click on notification bell so that you will get the updates immediately without any further delay. And like, share, comment. Encouragement always gives me a lot to upload many more videos on financial related matters. See you soon in the next video. Thank you so much once again. Jai Hind.